Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama.
Why they call you 19, man?
So I just rinsed this one down. Rinsed off the header panel, put some of that red overspray got on it. It wasn't gonna stick because when I painted it the other day, I took it all down. But man, I'm finna grab my clippers and everything. Got the clippers in here. Grab them clippers. And whatever paperwork I need over there, I'm gonna grab it. But yeah, man, it's Sunday. I'm supposed to be off. Supposed to have off days, but we know they don't exist. But it's still early. It's probably like 10:30. And it's hot as hell out here in Texas, man. It's hot. So I'm not gonna probably be around here too much longer. I'm thinking that maybe today me and my lady gonna go watch some races, and I'm gonna load up the four-wheeler. So me and her can, even if she don't go, I'm probably gonna take the four-wheeler and I'll go out to the track, try to catch some racing just to clear my mind, focus on some things, get my mind off some things. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. This gonna be a pretty interesting vlog. Got some parts in for the Monte Carlo. I'm gonna show y'all that, and hopefully I'll install this header panel so they give you an idea of where those parts go. I've never done this before, but it's all good because I'm gonna do my research. I'm just gonna jump in there. I honestly tell you the truth, I'm just gonna jump in there and I'm gonna get this shit done. So man, y'all stay tuned. I'm go ahead and take these out. Take them out the bag and everything. I'm gonna load this one up. I'm finna see if I can install this to do a mock-up. So we're gonna try to blow all the dust off the car. Check out the old bushings. These are a little different. So I don't think this is how it goes. These are a little different. I think this is how it goes right here. I'm sorry, man. I just got so caught up in looking at the Banshee, man. It's such a beautiful bike, and I hate that it's going the way it's going. But I got a beautiful car right here. This one is about 80 to 90% done. I'm gonna say about 90%. This one is what I can control, and this one is a long ways away. I'm hoping that we're gonna get some jobs that's pay, because this one does not. So doing this stuff right here, working on my own cars. I have to have material, but you know, I'm not trying to put a lot into this car right now. I'm trying to put as little money into it and a lot of labor. So just because you see me doing a lot of work on it, don't mean I'm spending a lot of money. I'm saving money. That's what I'm doing. Because I'm doing it all by myself. The more I do myself, the better off I'm gonna be in the end. Not to mention, I'm gonna know what's wrong with my car because I built it. So having that is gonna feel good. So if I go ahead and put y'all on the tripod, I'm gonna blow the car down really good because there's some red paint sprayed in here the other night. I may even wash it down, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I'm just gonna try to knock some of these spider webs and stuff off of it and try to put the header panel on this. So man, y'all stay tuned. Man, so I just refuse for any car to win on me. So this how it goes in. It's a bolt, a rubber piece, another rubber piece, a washer, and then a nut. So I have to lift it up, put this in the top, put this in the middle, and it'll lift it up, and then put everything back in there. So I'm gonna do it while it's still fresh in my mind. Lift that up, that one through there. Make sure this is snug though. So make sure it's snug. Pull it more forward. I feel like that's where it's supposed to be at. Pull it more forward. This is not the permanent setting for it, but I think that's gonna be pretty good for it. Let's pull forward. I'm sweating like a mug, boy. Jeez. It's 100+ degrees outside, so I'm gonna use this up at the top, the adjustable wrench, and then I'm gonna use the socket down here at the bottom. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put these two together. I'm gonna put it like this, and then I'm gonna hand tighten it on that bolt, and I'm gonna hold the top bolt with one hand, and then I'm gonna hit it from the bottom with just this 18mm socket by hand. Now I'm gonna tighten it up by hand first. So I'm looking at that, and I want it to be dead center. So I would think that's where it needs to be at, dead center. I wasn't thinking about that on the other side, but this has me thinking a lot now. So pushes up in there. This heat is making me exhausted. This heat is draining me. No, don't do that. I want to act up now. I'm gonna do it by hand. Then come back with that socket and tighten it up. Oh, it's almost like that candy game, the candy crane. You know, you get the teddy bears. Oh, I'm close. Feel good. Feel like that's as tight as it's gonna go. But it's still shifting. No, but it's still shifting. Nah. It's not gonna be shifting no more. Let's see if I can find one of them deep sockets I got. They on there. So I'm gonna see if I can find that back one. Tighten it on up. As you can see, still see more red. I'm gonna wipe that down and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Man, so we finna go ahead and start getting this trunk together, man. Finna get this trunk together. I put the header panel on there the other day. Just a mock-up, it's not the final fitment. Finna start doing this trunk so we can round line it. I wanna do the rear quarters as well. Splash guards. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to go find an AC box. So I'm not telling where this video gonna begin, where this video gonna end. But yeah, man, I just wanna show y'all what I got going. As far as, y'all see them holes right there? Y'all see them holes? I don't know why Buddy put so many freaking holes in the trunk. But what I'm finna do is, when we get on the air compressor, finna grab my roll out. I'm gonna put one of these wheels on it, one of these 36 grit wheels. And I'm finna go ahead and I'm gonna grind it down. I'm gonna grind it down and I'm gonna put some of this Donald glass in it. That Donatron, put that in there. And smooth it out. So man, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all see her, man. Y'all seeing her. She's starting to come back together. It was laughing at me. They was laughing, tell me, man, you ain't gonna get this shit done. You take it forever. Yeah, it's a process, man. I'm in my own lane. I'm in my own race. I ain't racing against nobody. I'm racing myself. Trying to push myself to be the best me I could be. So with that being said, man, hey, all those people that doubt on you, they doubt me every day. They doubted a lot of greater people far beyond me. I just want y'all to know, man, if y'all tuned into this and you a hater, keep doing what you're doing. Cause I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? If hating on you, hating on me gives your life purpose, man, keep on doing it. I ain't worried about it. But we ain't gonna talk about that shit. That's for another day. I'm finna get this toolbox opened up. This is my body shop tools. And I gotta use this hammer right here to tap it down. So that's what y'all finna see me do. And throw y'all on the stand, put y'all in time lapse. And I'm finna get to it, man. So y'all stay tuned.